The concept of lean manufacturing is developed around eliminating the three enemies of the production system: Mura, Muri, and Muda. Mura is variation, inconsistency, irregularity. Muri is overburden, unreasonable stress demanding more than justified. Muda is any activity that does not add value, total waste. Remember the 7 types of waste we studied in the last video? A common mistake that we make is to focus only on eliminating the waste. Simply taking out Muda will not work. There is a reason why Muda is in the system, and the reason is Mura and Muri. These 3 conditions are interrelated, interdependent, and cannot exist without each other. In fact, it is Mura, the variation, which is responsible for the other 2. For example, let's say in a production line, if cycle time of all the machines are equal, there is a flow. But if cycle times are different, that is, there is Mura, the variation, then the machines with high cycle time will experience Muri, the overburden. That is, those machines will always have to be running, maybe even in the lunch breaks. And the machines with less cycle time will experience Muda, the waste of waiting. That is, those machines will be idle after each cycle. Another example. In an organization with a capacity of 100 units per day, there is no problem with a daily requirement of 100 units. The flow is maintained. But if the customer schedule fluctuates, that is, Mura, the variation occurred, then some days the organization will have to make more than 100 units, that is Muri, and some days customer will ask less than 100 units, that is Muda. Muri is dangerous. Do not confuse overburden with capacity improvement. Muri, if continued over a period of time, will result in system breakdown. Working extra hours may get you increased production in a short run, but if continued will result into absenteeism, illness, or frequent machine breakdowns or increased quality defects. A way out is to standardize the activities so that we can reduce Mura, the variation, which in turn will reduce Muri and Muda. That is why it is said the journey of lean manufacturing begins with standardization.